We're going to look at solving systems of linear equations by graphing. The first part of this lesson will look at how to graph linear equations, and then we're going to see the method for using the graphing method to solve linear systems. So generally, to graph an equation, you want to determine the x-intercept, so that is when f of x or y equal to 0, and the y-intercept when x is equal to 0. So let's try that with this graph right here, graph of f of x equal to 1. So we say f of x, or we can say y equal to 2x minus 1. So let's look at x-intercept. So y equal to 0. So it means 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So 2x equal to 1, x is a half. Then we look at the y-intercept. The y-intercept is when x is 0, so y equal to 2 times 0 minus 1, which is equal to minus 1. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look for this point on the graph. So x equal to 1/2, let's put that right about here. And then y equal to -1, so that is right about here. So now we're going to draw a line that joins those 2 points together. So we have a line that joins those 2 points together. So that is the graph of y equal to 2x minus 1. Now to solve a system, you're going to draw both graphs on the graph paper, and we're going to look for the point where both graphs actually touch or intersect. That would be the solution for that system. Now we're going to try that. So here we have x plus y equal to 7. So let's look at x plus y equal to 7. So for x-intercept, we have y equal to 0. So x plus 0 equal to 7. So x is equal to 7. Now let's look at y-intercept. For the y-intercept, x equal to 0. So 0 plus y equal to 7. So y is 7. So we have the point 7. So we have 7 right here. We have 7 here and we have 7 here for the first equation. I'm going to draw that in a green pen. We're going to use a green line to indicate that specific. So that's about the graph of x plus y equal to 7. Now we're going to look at x plus 2y. So we have x plus 2y equal to 11. Let's try x-intercept. This y equal to 0. So x plus 0 equal to 11. So x is equal to 11. And then y-intercept, x equal to 0. So 0 plus 2y equal to 11. So y is 11 over 2, which is about 5.5. So we're going to draw that in red. So 5.5 is right about here for y. 5.5 is right about here. And x is going to be about 11, which is, we don't have that on the graph, so we're going to try some other points. Let's look for the value of x when y is, let's try y equal to 1, y equal to 2, y equal to 3, and see what we get for the value of x. Y equal to 1, so we have x plus 2 equal to 11, so x equal to 9. Y equal to x plus 4 equal to 11, so x is 7. y equal to 3, x plus 6 equal to 11, so x equal to 5. So now we have several points we could use. We have the point x equal to 1, y is 9, so we have that point right there. X equal to 7, y equal to 2, we have that point right there. X equal to 5, y equal to 3, so we have this point right here. So now we're going to draw a line that joins those points together. So what we have right here is we have this point, we have this line that joins all these points together. And so therefore, what we see here is the point where the green line and the red line intersect is going to be the solution to the system. And so for us, that point is roughly the point 3, 4. So that is the solution to this system. Now we have another one to draw. So we have 3x plus 2y equal to 19. So 3x plus 2y equal to 19, and here we have x plus y equal to 8. So 3x plus 2y, look at the x-intercept, so y equal to 0. So 3x equal to 19, therefore x is 19 over 3. Let's look at the y-intercept. Y-intercept x equal to 0, so 0 plus 2y equal to 19, so y is 19 over 2. Okay, let's look at x plus y equal to 8. Let's look at the x-intercept. Y equal to 0, so x equal to 8. Y-intercept, x equal to 0, so y equal to 8. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a line for 3x plus 2y equal to 19. So let's look at the point. X is 19 over 3. So that's right about here. Y is 19 over 2. So that's right about here. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line that joins those 2 points together. So we start from here, and we draw a line that joins these 2 points together. And then we're going to draw the line for x plus y equal to 8. So we have x equal to 8 for the x-intercept, right about here. Y equal to 8 for the y-intercept, right about here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to draw a line that joins these 2 points together. From this graph, we can see that the point of intersection is roughly at the point 3, 5. So when x is 3, y equal to 5.